Some years ago, I created VixiBot, in which users in our community were very happy to use this bot because they were able to make a lot of money. Users like Sheriff, who was able to grow his $15,000 deposit to 100K. I'm going to tag the video right here so you can go ahead and check that version of VixiBot in which a user was able to grow his account. Users were very happy and the community was going well, but there was a problem on that specific VixiBot, which is the problem that this new version has fixed. The problem was that whenever the market goes one direction, the previous VixiBot was executing trade in the opposite direction with martingale level, and whenever the market keeps going, suddenly accounts might blow off. But this specific bot that we are releasing right here is the safest of all VixiBot that we have ever created in the history of Floronics. I'm going to show you how to set up this trading bot, and the reason why this bot is the most safest of all time. I'm super excited to create this bot and show it to you how to use it right away. This specific version of VixiBot is running on Telegram, so you will need to download Telegram to activate this version of VixiBot. So open your Telegram right away. On your Telegram search bar, you can search VixiBot Forex Bots. VixiBot Forex Bots. Take note of the URL of this bot, which is the username of this bot, because I am aware that scammers are going to create fake version of VixiBot just to scam. So be aware of the URL. Link is going to be in the description of this video. So once you open it, you are going to see a description of what this bot is, so you can see that VixiBot is your companion for trading. Just click on start, and then once you click on start, it is going to prompt you to input your username. If you've been using AlgoB trading bot, you will notice that it's just similar to the prompt of AlgoB. For those who doesn't know what AlgoB is a crypto trading bot that is doing well for our communities right away. If I do navigate to the trade history of AlgoB, you are going to see this is the trade history of AlgoB on our official Discord channel. Link is going to be in the description for you to join the channel. So if you click on the link to activate your AlgoB, you're able to make profit just like other users that you are seeing right here in the Discord channel. This profit keeps coming up every single time. So if you just scroll around, you are going to see there are users who make a lot of profit from using AlgoB trading bot that trades cryptocurrency. So you too can be a trader of AlgoB. Click on the link, activate your AlgoB, and then proceed. Let's navigate back to our VixiBot. So once it prompts you to input your username as well as your email address and other information it is going to ask you, the next thing you are going to do is to click on settings, and once you click on settings, you select the bots that you are going to use. You can see we have two different versions of bots right here, which is the VixiBot, the mother bot, as well as the gambler bot. The VixiBot is the mother bot, which is day trading bot that we are going to use for our normal trading activities, while the gambler bot is for gambling, just as the name implies. So if you want to gamble with trading, put 100 and get maybe 10,000, or put 100 and get 2,000, 1,000, and so on, or lose it all. The gambler bot is good for you. And the gambler bot trades gold, while the VixiBot trade Euro USD. So in this case, we are going to click on the VixiBot, and then you can see where you can link your broker. Broker is known because I've not linked my broker yet. So you can click on the power to power it on. Okay, I don't have a license, so I have to get myself a license. Remember, as of the time of recording this video, VixiBot license is absolutely free of charge. So if you need the license, you want to activate your license, just message me on the Discord channel. The link is going to be in the description. So I'm going to activate your license for you for 100% free. So I'm going to pause this video right here to activate my license. I have successfully activated my VixiBot license. So I'm going to click on settings once again, and then click on VixiBot. The power button is where you can click, and then you can turn on your bot and turn it off. The volume section is where you can input your trading lot size. The symbol suffix is where you can put your symbol suffix. For example, if you have Euro USD like this with C for cents, you can input your suffix as C. So you can type here and then put C right here, and then if you want to clear the suffix, just send none and it is going to clear the suffix to default. Trade alert, just like your algo B, is where you can turn it on and then you will receive notifications whenever it is on. Restore default is the button that restore your settings to developer default. Let's link our broker by clicking on the broker button and then select the platform. As of now, it is only MT5 that is available. I am going to input my broker server or the IP address. In this case is the server, so I'm using FBS 0. Currently right now it is connecting to my account. I just have to wait. Take note that you will need to use the supported broker, and as you can see, it is connected to my MT5 account and it is going to show my MT5 ID right here from the place you were seeing none. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on the power button to turn it on, and then suddenly my bot will start trading right away when it finds signal. It is that simple. Navigate to settings once again and then click on the gambler bots. This is the bot for gambling. So if you check this button right here, this is the power button. This is where you click to link your broker right away. So the volume is where you can set your trade volume, and the multiplier is the volume multiplier. One means no volume multipliers. So it is just going to use the volume you set throughout the trade that it is going to execute. The batch order means how many order do you want your gambler bot to execute at once. So 4 means at one signal it is going to execute 4 orders. The stop loss percent is set to 100%, which means no stop loss at all. So if you want to set the stop loss in percentage of your account size that you are going to use to gamble, you can just set the percentage of your account size you want to use to gamble. The TP pips is the take profit in pips. By default it is 20 pips. So if you choose to set take profit higher than 20 pips, you can set it here. Then the orphan is, just as it implies, the trade should not be managed. That is what orphan means. So if you turn on orphan, it means whenever your bot, your gambler bot in this case, execute any position, it shouldn't manage it. So the management leave it for you to manage it yourself. That means the position is an orphan position with no mother to manage or no bot to manage it except you. So you are going to adopt the position and then manage it yourself. And then the symbol suffix, just like the previous one of the VixiBot, is your broker symbol suffix if your broker has a suffix, but if it doesn't, just leave it none. And the trade alert, if turned on, allow your bot to send you notifications of trade execution. So if you want to gamble, you can just deposit $100 into your gambler bots account that you are going to link, and then bam, use it to gamble. You can gamble to make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 just on one trade, or lose it all. Take note, the gambler bot should not be used with money that you can't afford to lose, because it is gambling. It's either you lose or you win. The referral command is what you can use to get your referral link to share to your friends and then earn up to 30% recurring commission whenever they subscribe to VixiBot. For now, VixiBot is absolutely free of charge, so no subscription, but you can also share your referral link to users, so whenever they subscribe in the future, when VixiBot will require subscription fee, then you can earn commission up to 30% recurring commission. That's amazing, and you can withdraw it by linking your cryptocurrency wallet right here. The instruction is going to be there. There is a mandatory tax before using VixiBot. That is to use VixiBot recommended link to the supported broker. So for you to do so, just click on your VixiBot start button and then click on sign up on supported brokers FBS. Click on FBS and then click on open to create an account with our supported broker. So if you already have an account with FBS in this point, so you have to message me, link in the description. You can contact me on the Discord channel or on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop the link, or on Telegram. So message me on how to link the VixiBot IB ID to your FBS account, and from there you'll be able to use your VixiBot completely free of charge. If you've used VixiBot for the past, this is your chance to triple your income by activating the safest VixiBot of all time right here. In the next video, I am going to show you how much profit I've personally made throughout the period of just testing VixiBot before I release it to you. Remember, this was a testing phase, not actual production. I am also going to drop the track record of a Facebook URL in the description after 1 week, so you can go ahead and see how VixiBot has been performing and how it is the safest of all time throughout the history of learning. Until then, see you in the next video.